I'm going to explain about integration, that is rule to integrate integration of e power x in bracket fx plus f dash x dx. Clear? First of all, I would like to tell what you mean by fx means function of x, f dash x means differentiation of this function, that is fx. Understood? Then if differentiation of one function is other function, in this type question, how we can evaluate, how we can solve given question. Understood? Very good. Now first of all, what we have to do? First of all, write the integral as, means whatever portion is there, after that whatever number is outside, this number will be multiply inside bracket. Understood? Inside bracket means, inside bracket there are two terms, then e power x into first term plus e power x into second term. E power x into first term is that is fx plus e power x into f dash x. Understood? Now there are two terms, but we have to integrate only one term, either first term or second term. It is not compulsory you will integrate only first term, but here split the integral into two integrals. It means like this. Here there are two terms. Integrate only the first term is first integral or any one term, means it is not compulsory you will integrate only first term, first integral. But here I am going to integrate first integral, first term. Then the last two integrals on the right means RHS will cancel each other. Clear? Then now this is question here. Integration of e power x in bracket sin x plus cos x dx. Now first of all, open the bracket, e power x into sin x dx plus e power x into cos dx. Now I am going to integrate first integral, that is first part. Clear? First of all, we have to think about eyelid. Clear? In previous video already I have told you about eyelid, inverse trigonometrical function, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometrical and exponential series. Clear? Then here e power x into sin x, then e power x is the last exponential. Therefore sin x is the first function, e power x is the second function. Now with the help of product rule, I am going to integrate this portion. First function integration of second portion minus differentiation of sin x means cos x, integration of e power x means e power x, plus second integral, that is e power x cos x. Now sin x into e power x minus integration of cos x into e power x plus integration of cos x into e power x. Now both are same. Then you see, then last two integrals on the right means RHS will cancel each other. Clear? Then this cancel by this one integral. At last sin x into e power x plus c. Now this is the answer of given integral. Understood? Very simple. For doing this question, we should know about eyelid. Second one, integration of product rule. Third one, what is the integration of simple formula means e power x, sin x, log x, like this one. Okay. Now you see second question. Second question is integration of e power x 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Understood? Now you can see inside the bracket there are two terms, 1 by x minus 1 by x square. First of all, we will open the bracket, means split into two integral, that is e power x into 1 by x minus e power x into 1 by x square. Now u into v, first function, second function, according to Eilert. First 1 by x, second is e power x. Now leaving first function, integration of second function means e power x is e power x only, minus sign, and differentiation of 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 by x is equal to what? Minus 1 by x square. And integration of e power x is e power x only, minus same integrals here. Now here minus into minus plus sign, e power x upon x square dx minus e power x upon x square dx. Now this integral will be cancelled by this integral. At last e power x upon x plus c. Now this is a required answer, required value of question number second. Are you understanding? Very good. Okay. Now question number 3 here. Let I. It is not compulsory. We suppose we let I also here. Integration of e power x log x plus 1 by x dx. This is also same question. First of all, open the bracket, e power x log x plus e power x into 1 by x dx. Now we have to use rule of product of two functions. Then e power x and log x minus differentiation of, you see here, e power x here, e power x dx plus e power x upon 1 dx. Clear? Means very simple. Leaving first function and integration of second function minus differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is equal to what? 1 by x. Integration of second function is e power x plus e power x into 1 by x dx. Now e power x into log of x minus e power x upon x dx plus e power x upon x dx. Now this integral value will be cancelled by this integral value, means this term cancelled by this term. Therefore e power x into log x plus c will come. Now this is the answer of question number 3. Understood? You can say in maximum question means how many questions I am telling, in the all question only same rule I am applying. Understood? Now question number 4 here, let I is equal to x into e power x upon x plus 1 whole square. Now you see in denominator x plus 1, but in numerator there is x. First of all, this value we will make into this form, means here x plus 1 minus 1. Now x plus 1 minus 1, x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square into e power x dx. Now x plus 1 into e power x plus 1 whole square minus e power x upon x plus 1 whole square dx. X plus 1 cancelled by this square because in downside 2 times. Then e power x upon x plus 1 dx minus e power x upon x plus 1 whole square dx. Now 1 upon x plus 1 is the first function, e power x is the second function according to Eilert. Then leaving first function, integration of second function is e power x only, minus differentiation of 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to what? Minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square into e power x dx. Minus same number here, minus plus sign, e power x upon x plus 1 whole square dx minus e power x upon x plus 1 whole square dx. Now this value will be cancelled by this value. Then e power x upon x plus 1 plus c. Now this is answer. Clear? Means already I have solved here 4 questions. Question number 1, second, question number 3 and question number 4. Then we have seen in all the 4 questions I have applied only same rule. Same means first of all open the bracket, after that we will integrate first integral. At last, both the integral will be cancelled to each other. After that, whatever required value will come. Now this is answer. Understood? Now this is the last question of this video, that is question number 5. In question number 5, x plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx. First of all, we have to split into two parts of this question, that is x upon 1 plus cos x plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Now x upon 1 plus, do you know about formula? Cos 2 theta is equal to what? Cos 2 theta means cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Clear? But if only cos theta, then 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Clear? With the help of this formula, cos x here, 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Here also sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 upon 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Now plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Then 1 by 2 x upon 1 by cos square x by 2 means what? Sec square x by 2 dx plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 2 cancel, and cos x by 2 cancel by this cos x by 2. At last sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 upon cos square x by 2. Now 1 by 2 integration of x into sec square x by 2 dx plus cos cancel, sin by cos tan x by 2 dx. Now x into sec square x by 2 dx plus this tan x by 2, we can write tan x by 2 into 1 dx. Now going to use eyelet here. First function and second function. In leaving first function, integration of second means x minus differentiation of this first function is sec square x by 2 into 1 by 2. Integration of 1 means x dx. Clear? Now 1 by 2 x into sec square x by 2 dx plus x into tan x by 2 minus, clear, this is minus here, 1 upon 2 outside, x into sec square x by 2 dx. Now this number cancel by this number. At last x into tan x by 2 plus c. Now this is answer. Understood? Okay. Now have you seen this question? All the questions are simple questions. Then don't confuse. If you try to do, then I think you can do so many questions. Understood? Then I am going to give homework question based on like this question. So see homework question. Question number 1 means in all the question we have to integrate with split into two integrals. Question number 1 is integration of e power x cot x plus log sin x dx. Second one, integration of e power x into 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus cos x. Question number 3 is e power 2x minus 1 upon 4x square. Question number 4, e power x 1 minus x upon 1 plus x square whole square dx. And question number 5 is e power x into 2 minus sin 2x upon 1 minus cos 2x. Understood? This is homework question. Then I request you, please, you should complete your homework question, and how many previous chapters already I have finished. Please start the revision. You may start doing question also here. Then this is the last chapters of this integral part. Now in next video I will start according to this integration new chapters. Okay, then please you will complete your whole question, and thank you very much.